The DIY e-bike crossroads. Build your dream or buy it. Ready? The story is a familiar cautionary tale in the world of cycling enthusiasts. A couple, buzzing with the idea of building their own electric bike, dives into a custom conversion kit. The dream of a personalized, powerful machine quickly collides with reality. The project proves more technically demanding than anticipated, a maze of wiring, compatibility checks, and mechanical tweaks. As the narrator emphasizes, if you're not electrically minded, I'd probably go elsewhere. The result? The unfinished kit was sold, and they opted for a straightforward, off-the-shelf e-bike. This journey underscores the first and most critical rule of DIY e-biking. Honestly, assess your skills before you begin. For those undeterred, the adventure starts with choosing your engine. The market offers 3 primary paths, each with its own philosophy. Front hub drives. The simple commuter. The front hub drive is the classic entry point. Imagine replacing your front wheel with a new one that has a motor built into the hub. It clamps into your forks, and with basic connections, you're propelled forward. It's a plug-and-play system ideal for flat commutes and gentle trails. Brands like Cyclotricity offer kits starting around 150 pounds, not including the essential battery. The beauty is in its simplicity and you can often add a pedal assist sensor later for a more natural riding feel. Moving beyond a simple thumb throttle. Mid-drive motors. The performance heart. For those eyeing serious hills and demanding terrain, the mid-drive is the enthusiast's choice. This system replaces your bike's bottom bracket, sitting centrally and powering the cranks directly. By leveraging your bike's existing gears, it delivers efficient, powerful, and natural feeling assistance, especially on climbs. It also centralizes weight, improving handling. However, complexity and cost soar. You can find starting kits around 350 pounds, rear hub drives, the balanced traditionalist. Splitting the difference is the rear hub drive. Similar in concept to the front hub, but driving the rear wheel, it offers a more traditional bicycle feel. These kits also start around 150 pounds and are renowned for their straightforward installation of a true bolt-on experience. They provide ample power for fire roads and urban commuting, effectively breathing new life into an old frame gathering dust in the shed. Like the front hub, they are highly configurable with displays and sensors. The brain and the battery. The crucial supporting cast. The motor is only part of the equation. 2 other components are vital: the battery and the controller. The battery is typically the single most expensive part, often doubling the kit's cost. Placement is key. Must be secure and balanced. Mounted on the frame's down tube, a seat post rack, or even in a backpack for extreme builds. The controller is the unsung brain of the operation, regulating power, delivery, and cutting the motor when you brake. Cost versus value. The final calculation. A successful legal DIY build can be remarkably affordable. The presenters assembled a street-legal rear hub bike for under 500 pounds, including a second-hand art for a capable commuter or trail explorer. This represents tremendous value. However, the financial landscape shifts as ambitions grow. Once your DIY budget creeps toward 1,000 pounds, 1,500 pounds, you enter the territory of compelling off-the-shelf options. Bikes like the Decathlon Rock Rider EST 900 at 1,599 offer integrated, warranty-backed designs that are hard to beat for the non-technical user. The verdict: building a DIY e-bike is a deeply rewarding project for the mechanically confident and curious. It offers customization, a profound understanding of your machine, and potentially great value. Yet, the opening story remains the most important lesson. This pursuit demands more than just turning wrenches. It requires electrical comprehension and patient problem solving. If that sounds daunting, there is no shame in the game of buying pre-built. The ultimate goal is the same: the joyful, assisted spin up a hill that leaves you smiling, not stranded. Choose the path that gets you riding, not just repairing.